Hello.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you doing?
Yeah, I am doing great. And you?
Great. I'm doing really well, thank you. What is your name?
Yeah, my name is Brijesh Yadav. I am from India.
Wonderful. Brijes, am I saying that right?
Brijesh.
Close. Brijes.
Yeah,
Brijes. Okay, and I'm Kira or Kiki. You can call me Kiki.
yeah. Kera, Kisi or Kiki?
Yeah. Yes. Great. How was your day?
Yeah, it was good.
Was good? Okay. What is it, the nighttime there or the daytime?
Yeah, it's a night time, 23 past 8.
Okay, okay. So it is the night. What did you do today?
Yeah, I did my work at my farm, my field, because it's time for harvesting. That's why throughout the day.
Wow, that's amazing. What are you growing on the
So
farm?
in the farm, I growing peas and wheat right now.
Really?
Yeah,
That's great. So different types of fruit, peaches. Did you say peach and fruit?
not fruit. It's wheat and peas.
Oh, peas. Okay. That's
Yeah,
great. Do you eat them? Do you
yeah,
eat the peas?
yeah. I eat and include pulses as well. We cultivate.
Okay, that sounds really good, and you really enjoy eating them?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's so great. And do you have any specific goals with learning English or improving English or just having a conversation?
I just feel fun with talking with native speaker, and I didn't think a lot about my future, my career.
That's
But yeah, but I want to be fluent just for personal reason because I like speaking English and some somebody in our village people think that it is not big deal to speak English. So
okay. They so
yeah,
in the they think it's not, what did you say? They think it's not what to speak English?
yeah, not big deal.
Ah, it's not a big deal. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it depends on the person for sure. Yeah, okay, but you want to speak English, which that's a big deal.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, for you. That's great. That's
Yeah,
really great.
so my villagers don't give much importance to English because they don't know the use of it. But since then I started speaking and I started understanding English. It feel very enjoyable for me because whatever I see, whatever I learned, I get it easy. So it's very beneficial for me, I think.
Oh, that is so great. I'm so glad it's so beneficial for you and that you're learning and understanding. It's such a good feeling when you really start learning and understanding new words and how to have a conversation. It's a really good feeling.
Yeah, so I would like to know about yourself little bit.
Yeah, so I'm from the United States and right now I'm in Mexico. So I'm traveling a little bit. Yeah, I have a pet cat. Do you have any pets?
I have cow.
A cow! Really?
Yeah,
Oh my goodness, that's like a dream of mine to like have a pet cow.
Yeah, so it's very common in my village. Like everybody has cow, and cow gives us milk. So yeah, we become very strong having drunk the milk, and I hope I I drink it since my childhood.
Really? With this same cow or a different cow?
Different.
Oh, okay. Okay. Does the cow have a name?
No.
Oh, no name. Okay. Just the cow.
Yeah, just the cow, and many tutor ask about our cow name, but
But
unfortunately
there's
I
no name. There's no name for the cow. Do you love the cow?
yeah, I love the cow, and I am I think you don't know about Yadav community. So my caste is Yadav. So Yadav people like cow a lot, and yeah, sometimes people worship the cow. It's
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, they're very holy, sacred animal.
yeah, yeah, definitely in India.
Definitely. I think so. I really like that.
Yeah, so you you feel like you should have a pet cow.
I don't have one, but I wish I had one. That would be amazing.
Yeah,
Maybe one day. I don't have a farm, so it would be difficult to have a cow, but if I had it would be hard to have a cow in an apartment. But I think if I had more land, it would be easier to have a cow.
yeah. So I must pray for you that you will have a land, and after that you get cow.
Yes, yes, one day. Thank you. One day I will. I don't know when, but one day. Yeah,
Yeah,
for thinking of me to pray for me that I will have a cow.
yeah.
Yes.
Because
Have you? Yeah, go
yeah,
ahead.
yeah. If you can think about anything, then you must achieve. It's not that we can't do. If you desire to anything, it must happen. I think.
I think so. I think if you focus your mind and you what's possible, then that's likely what's going to happen instead of what you can. I agree.
Yeah. So I think I saw a book named Secret. Do you know?
The Secret, yes, I do. Yes, I love that book.
But I don't know much about that. But I think that book say like this that if you wish something, that's when you can achieve.
Yes, it's like the what you think like reflects in the universe.
Yeah. So would you like to uh, say a little bit more about this book? So I will read it.
Yeah, so the book, they talk about how whatever you think and like whatever you're thinking about, like whatever you focus on, it will show up in your life and you can see that in your life. So sometimes we do it without even realizing it, like unconsciously, like we're thinking about negative things or we're thinking in a what I can't do, like you were saying, and then your life, it will show up in like a way that, oh, why is this happening? Why is this happening? But they talk about, I think, manifesting. They call it manifesting a lot. So it's like if you focus your mind on what, like, okay, for example, like if I imagine in my mind, like I'm picturing in my mind me on a farm with a cow, but it doesn't exist in reality right now. But I picture what it looks like, but the cow is like what I'm feeling, especially what I'm feeling, how happy I am being there. And then they say in the book, like if you focus on that enough and then you let it go, you forget about it, then it can, if it's meant for you, it'll show up in your life. It will happen. So that's what the
Yeah,
book
thank
talks
you.
about. Yeah,
So I think there is a lot. There is a similar book called "Power of Your Subconscious Mind."
the power of your subconscious mind. Okay, yeah.
It's,
I
I
haven't
think,
read that
similar.
one. Yeah. Have you read it?
Yeah, I read it.
What is it about? Is it you said?
Yeah, it's a similar, really.
Okay, okay. What do they talk about in can you tell me a little about it? About the book?
Yeah, so in this book, I read that there is a couple of stories about manifestation, like some
Mm-hmm.
patient is there in wheelchair. Someone is in wheelchair. He can't walk, and by imagining, he started walking. And there is a lot of similar stories like this. If you can think, you can do. It's a simple purpose of that book. Yeah,
Wow. That's incredible. And I feel true. I really believe that. Especially if you
yeah,
really believe it. There's another book you might really like. I can type it in the chat. It's called You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. Have you heard
yeah,
of it?
sure. Yeah, I have big bunch of books in ebook, but I didn't saw very. But I have collection of 30 hundred books.
1300?
Yeah, yeah, it's really a lot, but I choose someone is very special, like Atomic Habit and 5 a.m. Club and Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Think and Grow Rich. I will study in future. So literally, I am reading step by step book, and I really enjoy. I gain a lot of knowledge about everything. Yeah,
That's so great. And that's a great book to read. All those I have you read Louise Hay? I'll type it. But you know the book I'm talking about? You Can Heal Your Life?
I
You're
saw it on cover, but I didn't open it. I must open.
it's real by Hay. Okay, yeah, I highly recommend that book. And it was talking about how you talked with the subconscious mind book, how heal different part if you're sick, how to heal yourself, all these different ways like help change your mind, your subconscious. It's amazing. She's an amazing author.
Yeah. So I think we should read book for gain knowledge.
Yeah, I agree. Absolutely. These types of books are really good.
Yeah. So I think if we read a lot of book, only read, only observe. After that, we feel we shouldn't tie the knot. In future, we should be a monk. And we should preach toward what to do, what not to do.
Yeah, I agree. I would be good with that. I would. Yeah. Also, I think we have like 30 seconds left. So, yeah, it was so good. To you.
Yeah, same here. I really enjoy, and you laugh every time, so you give confidence to me for speaking.
Oh,
And yeah,
good. Oh, I'm so glad. And I hope we can talk again in the future.
yeah. So please send your schedule. I must talk to you again.
Great. I hope you have an amazing night.
Yeah, yeah. Bye.